Hey guys, welcome to Forza. We are playing, of course, as I say, Forza Motorsport 6. And we will be going in at it as Larson. Not Circuit the Four Shops. Circuit the Spa, sorry. We'll be going to Homestead, Miami in Larson. Let's get this going. Not pre-race. Smooth braking and acceleration inputs. Keep your car under control. Driving aggressively can overheat the tires, resulting in the loss of grip, which there's not much of on here. And let's get into this race, shall we? Let's start this baby. Not the best start. It's Jimmy McMurray. Hey, teammate. Taking the high line on you. Running my line. Sorry, sports car. I'm just gonna be all over the place here. Trying my best not to hydroplane. Crap. I will take the lead here on lap 1 of 10. Running my very own line. Oh, sideways. Running the Kyle Larson line. The line that everybody knows for Kyle Larson running. Oh no, another wall impact. Nobody behind me. You know, I got a nice rear view mirror. I like running this camera. In the rain, that is. I haven't tried cockpit cam yet. I'm waiting for a non-rainy race. Try that one out. Somebody's been here recently. He's right there. Yep. He's gonna take that low line. He's lap traffic, so he better let me by. He's gonna let me by low. I know there's also that high line I could have taken, but I didn't. Almost spun out again. So I am gonna hit some lap traffic. The main pack of it too. And get around this guy. Bye bye, Dale. Hit the apron there a bit. Bye bye, Kurt, Kevin, Matt, Carl, Danica, Carl. Sorry, Smoke. I know it's your final race, but Jimmy, it looks like you won't win 7. See ya, Kevin. See ya, Carl and Kyle. passing a lot of these drivers. I might have left the field. Coming up on. Oh, hey, Jamie. Oh, see ya, Matt. See ya, Chase. Casey, nice to see you. And that's the field. And I didn't notice this, but last lap was the halfway point of this race. So lap 7 now. 4 to go.
Right there.
Shoot, there's 3 to go, and I almost spun out there. I have more lap traffic ahead. And I'm not going to put 2 laps on the field. At least I don't think anyway. This is just a couple of cars I'm going to put 2 laps on. Yeah, the field's not all bunched up like it was. Oh, oops. It's jammed somebody in the rear. That's what you get for being bad. A spanking. Oh. Who knocked out the cones? Wasn't me. Wasn't me, so I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about getting the commitment cone penalty. I am worried about how I'm going to end this thing. Which is actually going to be a really cool way. This is the final lap. Hey, look, it's Dale. Sorry, Junior Nation, I just had to. Dang it, it wouldn't let me spin out because I had hit the brake. But that will be all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smack that thumbs up button. And please subscribe. Road to 50. And I'll see you all later. Bye!